Okay? Start from the beginning. Go.
Do you have sound?
Yeah, it's a video.
I want to make love to you. Touch me here. I can't get it up, sorry. I think we would stop now. No. Do you want to come play with me? Do you want a message? Let's go to bed. How fast do you think I can take your clothes off? Can you give me a hand job? Do you prefer to be on top or on the bottom? I'm going to make you move. You are a bloody wanker. You have a junking the trunk. Can you take off your bra? Can I take off your panties with my teeth? Can I lick your pussy? Suck my dick. Can I rape you? Can I finger you? Can I put my finger up your ass? What's your favorite position? Do you like doggy style? How much for 1 hour? I like girls with less on.